Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, October 28th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today's Philly Falcon is Grayson Lane in Miss Dennison's class. Grayson was nominated by Miss Thompson, who said he kindly volunteered to come after school to help clean up the library shelves after others made a mess. Congratulations, Grayson, and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
Here's Presley with the fact about Dyslexia Awareness Month.
Jamie Oliver is one of the world's greatest top TV chefs who is dyslexic. Jamie has said it's been a gift to his career as he thinks differently.
Don't forget field days tomorrow. You need a break. Sunscreen, lots of water, athletic clothes, and running shoes. Make sure you get lots of rest tonight and eat a big breakfast.
Ooh.
I'm
gonna go. This week is Red Ribbon Week. Today we are heroes making healthy choices. Tomorrow is living drug-free is no sweat. Wear athletic clothes.
Now for today's weather. Today in Kelton, it will be partly cloudy and a high of 71 degrees and a low of 51 degrees.
Time to pull out their cities.
Yeah.
Today in history, in 1886, the Statue of Liberty is dedicated by Grover Cleveland.
Wow.
In the headlines, cell phones used to need 2 to 4 hours to fully charge. If you think that's a long time, try waiting 60 years. Fortunately, with the advances of solar electricity, communities in Sierra Leone, Africa, who have been beyond the reach of the state's power supply for decades, finally have power to call their own. Financed as a part of the UK's Rural Renewable Energy Project, the 32 solar microgrids, the name of the Mavamba project, will provide power to communities totaling 80,000 people, including 23 health centers.
Today's fun fact is, a shark is the only known fish that can blink with both eyes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Now for the word of the day.
Today's word of the day is perpetuate. Definition: cause to continue or prevail, used in a sentence. Student council continues to perpetuate the school spirit.
Perpetuate.
Here's Alexis and Kayla for the joke of the day.
Hey Kayla, what would be the national holiday for a nation of vampires?
I don't know. That's all for today. Let's learn about it together. Doing your best is a key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Lily.
And I'm Leah.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, bum, bum.